Welcome back, Pocket Monsters. Today we are going to be opening the Darkness Ablaze blister pack, as well as a double pack with Sword and Shield and one Darkness Ablaze. We have Robbie with us.
Woohoo! Don't be stealing my stuff.
I will steal your mojo.
This is not Lucifer.
We're going to start with the 2-pack. Do you want...
Why don't you just wait on the 2-pack?
I'm not waiting on the 2-pack.
Well, because the Sword and Shield have the winner open up Sword and Shield.
Okay, Sword and Shield will wait. We'll open the 4 Darkness Ablaze then.
There you go.
I'll take an Eternatus.
I have an Eternatus. I'll take one Grimmsnarl.
You can have that one.
You get 2 packs. Not fair. Cold card we're keeping.
Here is that Flareon promo. It's the, I think it's the Cosmos Hollow. I think that's what Cloud said they are.
I don't remember.
And a coin. Which one are you starting with? Eternatus?
Yeah, I'm doing Eternatus.
Okay, I'll do the same. Oh no, it's a green code card.
Yep, same here.
Here's that first code card. We have Fighting Energy, Heat Fire Energy, Simisear, Dugtrio, Torchic, Trapinch, Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Karrablast, Reverse Holostini, and Staraptor.
Staraptor.
Here's that next code card.
There it goes. We got Fire Energy, Bird Keeper, Steenie,
Ferret,
Dino,
Speak up.
Jigglypuff, Dunsparce,
Clink, Marini, Reverse Hollow Zweilous, and a Wigglytuff. That's our first Wigglytuff.
It is.
Alright, so the next pack. Are we even gonna have a winner? Oh, my code card.
We can have a winner.
Here's that next code. We have Steel Energy. Oops. Turbo Patch. Vibrava. Gothorita. Nickit. Shelmet. Larvitar. Grimer. Galarian Darumaka. Reverse Hollow Corviknight. That's actually our first Corviknight.
Yeah. Finally be part of Eternatus crew.
Oh no, you have a white code card too. Here's that next code card.
Go give him a hug.
Hi. You want to watch Daddy open?
Fire Energy.
No.
You want to open?
Ooh. Lure.
Old PC.
No.
Ariados. Paris. Avatar.
Golett.
Feebas. Purloin.
Reverse Hollow Volcarona. That's our first Volcarona too.
Yeah,
And a Blaziken. Our first Blaziken.
Yeah.
But
I think you won.
yep. Onto that Sword and Shield.
Hopefully it's going to get in there.
Can we get last pack magic?
And it's a...
White code card. Here's a
need
code for you
rainbows.
guys.
That's all we need is rainbow.
We need some full arts too.
Only like 4.
And we need the golds except for
Oh, that's right.
Zamazenta.
I'm thinking Rebel Flash.
we have Steel Energy, Potion, Hitmonchan, Galarian Linoone, Wooloo,
No.
yes.
It's not the same as Woohoo.
Joltik, Salandit, Clobbopus, Ghastly,
Ghastly.
Reverse Professor's Research. That's our... I don't think we have this one.
We do have that one.
We have
both
the
of them.
stamped, I thought.
No, we have both.
Do we?
Yeah. Don't be trying to look for your binder right now.
Comment down below who you guys think won the pack battle.
Obviously, you did. There's no
Obviously, but
guess.
we'll leave it up to subscribers' choice. Or viewers' choice.
Quick shout out to
Young Cloud Films and
Guild Gaming.
Guild Gaming. Be sure to like and subscribe to Young Cloud Films. He just did his 1,000 subscriber giveaway. As well as check out Guild Gaming on Facebook. Or if you're in the Jacksonville, North Carolina area, be sure to check out their store. They have a lot of Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Magic the Gathering,
D&D.
lots of D&D.
Yeah.
But be sure to check both of them out, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Pocket Monsters.